Hello, Paul Sherry RVs, and we have a 2015 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf. It's a 26 BH. It's a non-slide, half-ton towable travel trailer. 4,700 pounds is what it weighs. So it's a non-slide, bunkhouse, lightweight camper, double axle, power tongue jack, power awning, power stabilizer jack, LED lights under the awning, outside speakers, outside TV hookup, outside storage, drop down storage rack with spare tire. It is just a great trailer. Lightweight, sleeps a lot of people, and it is a great bang for the buck. Brand new, full warranties. We fill the propane, put a battery on board, and you're ready to go camping. Come in the door, we have a walk-around queen bed with mirrored wardrobes on both sides. So storage is really nice as well. Mirrored wardrobes on both sides. It is a 26 foot, so we have to make some adjustments, being that there's no door, but there's a privacy curtain. And that's the price, you know. Smaller the trailer, the less room we got. But they make up for it by putting in a nice long jackknife sofa that makes into a bed. Solid surface countertop, single sink, accepts big cookie sheets, pots and pans, and a dinette. It's a double pedestal for stability, and that lays down into a bed. So let's count them out. Big double bed on the bottom, that sleeps 2. Single bunk up top, that's 3. Dinette lays down 4. Sofa lays down 5. And queen bed 6, 7 minimum. Non-slide travel trailer, storage all the way across. All the goodies. Microwave, 3-burner stove with oven, double door refrigerator freezer, central climate control switch for the furnace, air conditioning and fan, separate door for the restroom, foot flush toilet, power roof vent, natural lighting, tub shower. Sink is on the outside, and it's a nice big sink. Putting on the outside gives you more space. In a trailer like this, you take advantage of everything you get. Non-slide, go anywhere travel trailer. Right here, Paul Sherry's, everybody. 2015 Forest River Cherokee. It's a Gray Wolf 26 BH. Retails at $24,391. Special sale price $15,200. Please give us a call quickly. These sell fast, and we are aggressive with that price, so they don't last long. So give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you. Paul Sherry RV.